Good morning, students. Today we'll start the important concept in physics, that is pressure. And one more concept is there, that is what do you mean by density of object. And there is a topic called mechanical properties of solids, and the another topic is mechanical properties of fluids. The two important topics are there in the first year, the solids, and another one is the fluids. In each and every topic you are going to study about what you mean by pressure, and you might have heard about, or you have already studied about in 10th standard or 9th standard, what do you mean by pressure. The pressure is nothing but it is an effect of force. We will discuss first, we will see some examples regarding pressure. Let us consider, this is one of the object is here. This is object, and this object, just I am holding this object in my hand. I am holding this object in my hand. This is having, for example, its mass is equal to half kg or 1 kg. Imagine approximate its mass is equal to, I am taken 1 kg. I have taken this object on my hand. Then this object pressing my hand in downward direction. Let us take, I am removing the object and there is no force acting on my hand. Now I am keeping this object on my hand. Now this glass, this object pressing my hand in a downward direction, means this subject is creating a pressure on my hand, that is called as a pressure. And how the pressure is creating? If you remove your hand, suddenly the subject is moving in downward direction. If you leave the glass here, ನೀವು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ suddenly the glass is accelerating in downward direction. What is the reason? The earth is attracting this glass in downward direction. Regarding gravitational force we have studied. If you leave the object, the earth is attracting this glass in downward direction. As a result, this glass is suddenly accelerating in downward direction. Means there is a force is acting on the glass by the earth. This is a glass surface. This one is a glass. This is a earth. This is earth surface. Earth surface, and this is the height. And this is the height from the surface. This is the height. If you leave the object, suddenly it is moving down. Suddenly it is moving down. Why? Because the earth is attracting the body in downward direction. Therefore F is equal to m into g. What is F? F is force of attraction by the earth gravity on the body in downward. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥದಿಂದ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ? ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. If earth is not having gravity, then earth, in case if the earth is not attracting the body in downward direction, what is the force acting on the body? Zero. But because of earth gravity, it is attracting this glass in downward direction. That attraction we are going to call it as force. The F is nothing but force acting on this body by the earth gravity. In which direction? Downward direction. How much is the force acting on the body by the earth gravity? That can be calculated by using the formula F equal to m into g. What is m? Mass of this body. What is g? Acceleration due to gravity of earth. What is the acceleration produced in this body because of earth gravity? That is, you know very well, 9.81 meter per second square. G you know very well. G for earth 9.81 meter per second square. ಅರ್ಥ ಈ ಬಾಡಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದ? 9.81 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ second square. This is the object. Means why the body is accelerating in downward? Because of earth gravity. Earth is attracting the body, because of that one the object is accelerating in downward. Then how much is the force acting on the body? That is F into F is equal to m into z. M is mass of the body, z is 9.81. If you multiply, for example, its mass is equal to 1 kg, then substitute 1 kg into 9.81. Therefore F is equal to how much? 9.81 Newton. This is the force acting on the body in downward direction. But now I am taking the glass and keeping on my hand. The earth is attracting this glass in downward direction with how much force? With this much force. But this body want to go in downward direction. ಈ body ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. This body is pressing my hand with how much force? With this much force. Means this body applying pressure on my hand. ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? ನನ್ನ ಕೈನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9.81 meter per second square. ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. This body wants to go in downward direction with how much force? With this much force, but my hand is not allowing it to go in downward direction. But ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But this glass piece pressing my hand in downward direction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗತ್ತದ? ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. Who creates the pressure on my hand? Glass. Means glass creating pressure on my hand. Because earth is attracting the glass in downward, means there is a force acting on the glass in downward direction by the earth. This glass pressing, applying force on my hand, that force creating pressure. ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕತ್ತದ. ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತದ? ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Force creating the pressure on my hand. Therefore, what is pressure? Pressure is effect of force. Pressure is a effect of force. Effect of force on any surface. Effect of force is called as pressure. Indicated as P. Let us take, this is 1 kg applying pressure on my hand, and if you take one more glass on this is another object, this is my hand, if you take one more glass and keep on that, what is increases? The mass of first body is 1 kg, another body is there, that mass, its mass is 1 kg, total how much mass? 2 kg. Then this is 2, it's become 2, and it is become 18.2 Newton. If you increase the mass here, then what increases? The force increases, the weight of the body increases. Weight means mg. If you increase the mass, this body what increases? Force on my hand increases, F increases. Means this objects together applying more pressure on my hand. If you increase the force, what is increases? Pressure increases on my hand. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಕೈನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್? ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, the force in downward direction increases. As a result, the objects pressing my hand, that is the pressure on my hand, is again increases. Or if you take one more object, same glass piece object, 1 kg, 1 kg, and this is 1 kg, totally how much? 3 kg, and multiply here, this is 3, 3 ones are 3, getting, this is 2 5, and this is 3 1, 31.53, this is 31.53 Newton. If you take one more object on this, mass increases, total mass increases on my hand, and the force acting on my hand, all these 3 glasses, 1 2 3, in downward direction increases. These 3 glasses together applying more pressure on my hand. 3 glass pieces ಕೂಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Then what you increased? Force increases. Mass increase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, downward direction ದಾಗ ಏನು increase ಆತ? Force. Then if the force in downward direction increases on my hand, what is increases? Pressure. And take one more object, same glass piece, this is also 1 kg. Totally how many are there in my hand? 1 2 3 4. Then this is becomes 4 kg. Then check, this is 4 ones are 4, getting, this is 32, then 36 plus 3 39, 39.24, this is 39.24. If you goes on increases mass, what is increases? Force on hand in downward direction increases. As a result, these all 4 glass pieces pressing more on my hand in downward. In 4 glass pieces ಕೂಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. Then again, if you increase mass, force increases in downward direction. As a result, these all 4 objects together exerting more pressure on my hand. Then who creates the pressure on the hand? Force create the pressure. Who apply the force? Object apply the force. In which direction? In downward direction. That force creating a pressure on my hand means, force means, because of force object press my hand. Therefore, on my hand who creates the pressure? Force creates the pressure. Therefore, what is the pressure? Pressure is effect of force. If force is increases, pressure increases. If force decreases, pressure decreases. Remove all 4 objects, then no one is my hand. Then is there any pressure in your hand? No. Take one object, yes. This body applying force on my hand, because of that force this body pressing my hand, that is a pressure. Take one more object on this, then these together applying more force on my hand, therefore the body press my hand with more energetically. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೋತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore, what is pressure on my hand? The pressure on my hand is nothing but it is effect of force on any surface is called as pressure. ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ there is a formula. How to find out pressure? The pressure can be calculated by using formula force acting on area of the body, unit area of the body. What is applying force? Where? On my hand. On my hand. Its area. Area means ಇಲ್ಲಿ place ಎಷ್ಟದ. How much area is there? That is A. A ಅನ್ನೋ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೇಲೆ that objects how much applying the force acted on my hand on the area of hand is A ಅನ್ನೋ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ? ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್. ನನ್ನ ಕೈದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ. ಎಫ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, how much pressure is exerting on your hand, that can be calculating. Therefore P is equal to F divided by E. What is P? Pressure on your hand. What is F? Force. What is A? Area of the unit area. Unit means 1 meter square area of the hand. A ಅನ್ನೋ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತೈತಿ ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ area of hand, and this is force exerting by the body by object on hand. And what is a area of hand? Substitute F and A, calculate, that you are getting one answer. That answer gives pressure. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. And pressure is very important term and its SI unit. Next, what is unit of pressure? Unit of pressure, the formula P is equal to F divided by A, you know very well. P as it is, unit of force is Newton divided by A is, what is area? Area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length means unit is meter, breadth means unit is meter, meter into meter, meter square. Then what is the unit of area? Meter square. Therefore P is equal to Newton per, this line is nothing but this one, meter square, or Newton, m anna ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೋರಿ, +2 becomes -2. This is unit of pressure. We can write like this, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ, +2 becomes -2. Getting? Therefore force per unit area is called as pressure. You can define like this, or another way, pressure is nothing but it is the effect produced by force. ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಫೋರ್ಸ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್. ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಕೈದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಎ, ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್? ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಎ. Force unit is Newton, area unit is length into breadth, ಅಂದ್ರೆ meter into meter, meter square. Area unit ಏನ meter square. Therefore unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. And just this is basic required for you, because in many topics the concept of pressure will come. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ, ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಪರ್, ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಪರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಫ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Therefore this knowledge is required for you, this is essential and this is very importantly need for you. Therefore you remember unit of pressure is Newton per meter square and effect of force is called as a pressure. Definition ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. That is now basically that is required for your syllabus. Okay, thank you.